The sounds you thought were just harmless animal noises could actually send chills down your spine. Behind each screech, growl, or breath lies a horrifying story that not everyone knows. Stop and listen. Are you brave enough to face these sounds? Now subscribe to our channel right away, or else every night you'll be forced to dream terrifying nightmares. Don't let that happen. Hit subscribe, and you'll be protected from invisible hauntings. Elk, koala, wolf, howler monkey, crocodile,